Welcome back. This week, our toddlers will start a 3-week project learning about farm animals. The teacher will start by drawing a picture of a farm animal on a large piece of butcher paper. Then, the children will identify the body parts, such as the eyes, ears, nose, legs, even feathers. Next, the children will be given a large cardboard block with a picture of a farm animal taped to each side. The children will each take turns rolling the block like a dice. Then they will identify the animal it lands on, and the teacher will start a song related to that animal. Finally, the children will make different animal paintings using feathers and cotton balls. Fun!